to move through Assam.
The Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills, Rituraj Ravi, informed that 5 unknown miscreants entered the parking area of Mawlaips police station and hurled a petrol bomb at a police gypsy vehicle in the early hours yesterday. SP Ravi also stated that the incident occurred around 2:40 a.m. The police vehicle that was torched bears registration number ML020194, and the SP further added that the vehicle suffered major damage. He also mentioned that a case has been registered at Mawlaips police station under relevant sections of the Explosive Substances Act 1908 and the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984.
2:40-2:45. One incident of arson took place at Mawlaips PS premises, wherein 5 unknown persons, miscreants, wearing masks and helmet, they hurled one petrol bomb at one of our police gypsy, which was parked there, in which the vehicle got damaged. In that regard, we have registered one case under various sections of IPC and also under Explosive Substance Act, and we are investigating.
The Regional Democratic